In this video, I will describe how to properly cover a socket and extension that are installed together on a tool. In this scenario, we have a 13 millimeter hex 3/8 drive socket. It's an Apex socket EX-13mm03 and a 4-inch extension. Again, it's an Apex part number EX-376-4. So in this scenario, we would use the standard cover, and then we will add for the socket, and then we will add an additional cover for the extension. So the first step is to determine the diameter of the socket, and if this is an Apex socket, we can easily use our laminated sheet to help guide us here. And in this case, the one that matches most closely is the 206. So this is a 3/8 drive, so this would be an S3 206, and then the length is 087. So the whole part number would be an S3206 087, which is exactly what I have here, along with the general store's part number. So it's easy enough just to cover the socket. So to add the extension as well, we have an E376-2. It's going to slide over the extension. And we also will be adding a piece of wear resistant nylon, and this is what we use on all of our extensions, and it's real simple to use. The idea is that we're just going to put it up inside the holder, and then we're going to cut it. So we know that since this is a 4-inch extension, that the base piece is for a 2-inch extension, so we're going to insert the wear resistant nylon into the base, and then we're going to mark off 2 inches, and then we'll cut it. So we've inserted it firmly to the stop inside of our holder here. We're going to measure off 2 inches. Easiest thing to do is just to use a Sharpie or something similar. Mark my 2 inches. We use what's called a PEX cutter that's available at Home Depot or Lowe's. We found this is the best way to cut it. So we just get it centered inside the PEX cutter and rotate a little bit as you squeeze. Now the extension will just drop right inside there, and we can put the whole thing together. So there's the completed assembly.